Howdy, this video is going to just kind of give you a basic introduction on sorting. Your ultimate goal is that you're going to be able to sort some graphs that you're going to cut out of your textbook today. But first, let's get started. So I have this box, and I don't want it to make too much noise, but I have this box of Duplos that I took from my children for the lesson today. And if I asked you to sort this, let me hold it up, how would you sort it? Okay, you're probably thinking things like color. You could group all the purples together. You could group all the blues together. You could group all the, let's see if I can do it, the yellows together. Those are both yellowish. So you could do it by color. How else could you do it? By size. So you could do the how many bumps they have on the top, right? So the ones that have 4 bumps, the ones that have 8, or you could do it by height. Like these both have 4 bumps, but one is taller than the other, right? So there's a lot of different ways to do it. You could take all the little characters, the animals and the people that come with it, and that could be a group, and all the blocks could be a group, right? You could take all the ones that have wheels, and all of those are a group, and all the ones that don't have wheels, and those are a group, right? There's several different ways that you could sort these blocks, but if you're sorting something, most likely you're trying to get them in smaller groups. So if I only take out these characters, that still leaves this huge box of Legos, right? I didn't really sort it too much. Like, sure, the characters are in one place and everything else is separated, but it's still a lot to go through in here, right? So when we sort, we want to try to be as specific as possible. That's why color would be such a good way to sort these, because there's so many different colors of Legos or Duplos, and they would be really, really, really easy to sort by color. So now let's relate this to math. So in your textbook, on page 29, you have 6 graphs, and then you have more graphs through page 35. So what you are going to do, and this is what your assignment is today, you are going to tear out page 29 to 35. Okay, let me repeat that. So pages 29 to 35, you're going to tear them out of your book, and you are going to cut out those graphs. Okay. What we're really going to focus on tomorrow, but you can do it today if you want to, is how would you sort these graphs? I'm not going to tell you. I want you to come up with your own categories. How would you sort these? Okay. And you might have 1 or 2 that might not fit into any of your groups. That's okay. Just call that like a random group. Okay. So just to repeat, pages 29 to 35, you're going to cut out these graphs, and then you are going to sort them into any categories that you want. So look at them and decide, hey, these all have blank. I'll put them in a pile together. These are all made up of blank. Put them in a pile together. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to make a poster out of these and explain our reasoning. Okay. Have a great day.